as of the making of this video, LadyBoss does not seem to have reviews providing a balanced scientific coverage of their weight loss program. So here we are. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what are the pros and cons of LadyBoss and if it's right for you. Hi, Richard and Lucy here, nutritionists at CoachViva.com, the place for analytical thinkers to cut through the noise on where to start and when to level up so they can transform their bodies and live healthy by default. If you too refuse to settle, hide from the facts, or cave to excuses, then subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified every week of new science-backed and practical videos to help you lose fat and gain muscle on your terms. And before we begin, I want to quickly announce that a few spots have opened up for the free one-on-one consults for our Badass Body Boss program. So make sure you stay until the end of this video for the announcement on that. Now let's get started.
LadyBoss has many products and services. They're divided into supplements, programs, and coaching. The supplements are the usual suspects ranging from protein powders to superfood juices. As for programs, let's start with the popular 28-day challenge. It costs $1 to try their 28-day challenge, and it'll give you a good taste of what their flagship trainer app is like. The challenge is broken down into 4 weeks. The first week is mindset, the second week is nutrition, the third week is exercise, and the fourth week is sparkle, which is essentially giving back to the community, like donating LadyBoss swag that you've bought to others or encouraging other women. There's a daily live video with a coach, and participants have said that they love that each coach has their own story, so the concepts sink in easier. Participants also love being able to ask questions during the live, and some participants like this better than a first day experience where they just get taken to a recorded experience. While in week 2, the nutrition module does use a lot of LadyBoss supplements, you don't have to use their products. Many participants also find the live guidance to provide better step-by-step guidance than their trainer app. Next, let's talk about their flagship trainer app. The trainer app costs $27 per month or $297 per year. Their app isn't in an app store. You get taken to a web portal, which you can then save on your home screen or as a bookmark in your browser. The first thing they tell you to do is to go join their Facebook group. There you have one mandatory unit to complete, which gives you a lay of the land, so to speak, including a welcome video, a what is a LadyBoss, what is LadyBoss the company, and other things. There are 5 other optional units which cover other products LadyBoss sells, their blog articles, past Q&A recordings, recipes, and so on. The second thing they tell you to check out is their hub, where you can manage your subscriptions and make customer support requests. And the third thing is the web portal I mentioned earlier. The main things that the web portal includes are workouts. This include home and gym plans, meal plans, which include groceries and recipe instructions, restaurant suggestions for many chain restaurants in the United States, daily checklist to review goals and progress, meditation tracks and affirmations to work on your mindset. And if you want to dive into mindset a lot more, you can also purchase their Ultimate Transformation Academy for $297. And finally, their personal results coaching, which doesn't reveal its price on their website. The personal results coaching is made up of 3 years where you graduate from being a year 1 to year 2 to year 3. As of the making of this video, year 2 at least costs $4,497 and includes one-on-one monthly face-to-face calls with your coach, all of the trainer app and Ultimate Transformation Academy, daily messaging access to your coach, among other things. There are also other programs like Booty Bootcamp and 14-Day Detox, but we aren't focusing on those in this review.
The pros are mindset shifts and revealing your deep why for wanting to lose weight. Many reviews of LadyBoss commended on helping them shut down their self-doubt and shiny object syndrome, where they keep chasing the latest fad. There are 2 ways LadyBoss does this. First is through mindset exercises. If you do the 28-day challenge, week 1 is devoted to mindset lessons and exercises. Many of the participants credit this week to be a game changer. If you join the trainer app, the mindset piece is called State. Here you can listen to guided meditation tracks to change your self-talk and recite your power statement, which is an affirmation you wrote that you remind yourself of daily. Second, the LadyBoss community is very active and supportive. In fact, you get sparkle points for comments and interactions you do in their Facebook group. And also, many members will donate their swag to other members as a form of giving back. The program doesn't tell you to stop eating carbs or do crazy workouts. The nutrition and exercise plans are based on a balanced approach to nutrition. They don't cut out entire food groups or eating times. Thus, it's a lot closer likely to how you eat today, which makes adopting the program easier, simpler, and more sustainable long-term. It tells you exactly what to do step by step. The whole program is simplified into 4 things to do daily. First, state. You listen to the meditation recording and recite to yourself your power statement or affirmation. Second, substance, which is nutrition and hydration. 3, shape. 1 minute of gratitude and any exercise ranging gain from walking to a full workout. 4. Sparkle. Encourage a lady boss in the community, plus encourage a family and friend. Meal plans come with recipe videos and grocery lists to make them. You can't substitute ingredients, but you can swap out dishes. If you are eating out, there are dish suggestions for many of the chain restaurants in the US. Workout plans are detailed, starting from how to get comfortable in the gym and not feel like an imposter by teaching you what gym etiquette is and all about the machines, all the way to 7-5-3-day strength training routines done before your cardio sessions, like Cardio Killer.
The first con is a pushy sales team. As per the reviews, this seems to have gotten really into gear around mid-2019. For example, a reviewer complained they couldn't make the payments due to COVID and their husband having an amputated finger, and felt the salesperson was unempathetic. Others complain of having received lots of emails, phone calls, and texts after buying a protein powder to upsell to LadyBoss's other products. And this happens even before they have received the protein powder they ordered in the first place. People also complain that to buy any one product, you are frequently taken through a bunch of upsell pages where you have to be careful that you don't accidentally add anything to your order. The second con is supplement cautions. First, some flavors don't taste like you'd expect. The vanilla cake flavor in particular is called out as not tasting good by numerous reviews. Unfortunately, if you want to return a supplement that's already shipped to you, you often have to cover shipping yourself. Also, some reviews complain that asking questions in the community on how to improve the taste of the supplement or what recipes to use it in is often not approved by the group admins or are not kept up in the community for long enough for you to actually have taken a look at it. Second, beware of maltodextrin as an ingredient. This maltodextrin can spike blood sugar if it is consumed in large quantities, which is possible if you're consuming a lot of their protein powder shakes. There are some reviews from diabetics talking about this side effect. Maltodextrin can also change your gut bacteria composition in a way that makes you more susceptible to disease. It can suppress the growth of probiotics in your digestive system, which are important for immune system function. And it can decrease the growth of bacteria such as E. coli, which is associated with autoimmune disorders like Crohn's disease. The third con is that nutrition and workouts aren't adjusted to your starting point. Everyone is told to work out 4+ days a week, and the weekly meal plans aren't adjusted based on your current body size, aka the biggest factor in how much less energy you can get away with without your body freaking out about it. To compensate for this, you'll be told to do things that are way more than you need to do for your body fat stage. For example, if you're at over 25% body fat, you don't need to work out 4 times a week. In fact, you can get away without doing any formal exercise at all. Similarly, you don't need to eat the relatively small portions per meal if you're hovering around 180 to 200 pounds. But because LadyBoss needs to thread the needle, so to speak, so that it fits for most women, you're likely to end up doing more workouts and eat less than you need to compared to if you had a fully customized plan.
And this is not a pro or con, just general reminder that if you sign up for a longer term contract, like for a year, they will hold you responsible to pay all of it. Take their words at face value. Don't expect to get a refund after signing up for a long, lower per month priced contract. Now, who is LadyBoss for? If you are a woman who feels that community will be a game changer for you and you want a perspective meal and workout script to be handed to you, then LadyBoss may be an excellent plan for you. If this is you, I recommend starting with their 28-day challenge for $1. And if you like it, move on to their trainer app or their coaching.
Now, you may not want to follow a script. You may want to actually learn the why behind the nutrition, exercise, and psychology of it all. Because, for example, you want to learn how to create a meal plan for yourself so you have the freedom to change it as your life changes. Or because you want to do the minimum dose of nutrition and exercise for the maximum results. If that's you, I urge you to check out our Badass Body Boss program. The program is built for you if you value learning in depth the science and psychology behind the entire process, believe that weight loss need not be so complicated, that each method out there works for someone at some stage, and that you just need a clear plan to finding your methods for your stage, and are excited by the idea of working in a collaborative fashion with us to build your customized, sustainable roadmap to lifelong success. If that's you, good news. A few spots have opened up for a free one-to-one consultation call with us. Note, this is not a coaching call, and that booking a call does not guarantee you'll be admitted into our program. So if you're serious, click on the link in the description below to book a one-to-one consultation call for our Badass Body Boss program.
And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, hit that like button, and follow us on Instagram. And share this video with whoever else you feel could use this information. And be sure to check out these 2 videos to learn more about how to lose fat and build muscle like a body boss. You can do it.